Hi, I'm Tanu, your personal shopper at Zenden. Welcome to our brand new series where we answer your most asked questions from the comment section. Now, one of the questions which we keep seeing every time after our bedroom tour is, you show us the bed, but where do I get a mattress that actually feels good and fits well? We get it. Shopping for the right mattress can feel like a black hole of confusing terms and endless options. So we decided to do some digging and reached to several homeowners, asked friends of the channel, even tested a few ourselves so that you don't have to. And one name kept standing out, the Sleep Company. Which brings us to today's deep dive review of one of their most talked about mattresses in the market, the Luxe Pro SnowTec Mattress with cooling technology. Okay. I know it can sound like a mouthful, but stay with me. I'm gonna break it down for you and let you know what actually matters. Is it comfortable? Is it cool? Is it worth your money? Let's go undercover. If you have ever woken up with a stiff back, tossed and turned through the night, you are not alone. Most of us don't even realize how much a bad mattress affects our sleep until we try a good one. The Luxe Pro SnowTec Mattress isn't built of memory foam, but is built of something called SmartGRID technology. Don't worry, even I got confused when I heard it. But what it actually means is that the mattress adapts to your body weight and posture so that your hips and shoulders sink in, but your spine stays aligned, which is rare. It is India's one and only SmartGRID mattress developed and patented by the Sleep Company and is great for anybody with back pain or who want that perfect balance between cloud-like comfort and firm support. If you love the feeling of a soft hotel bed but with firmness, this checks that box. There's a layer of natural latex and it adds to the really nice bounce, giving it a plush feel. Do you know? Latex is naturally antimicrobial and more breathable than a memory foam so that your mattress doesn't trap heat or sweat. That way, you stay cooler and fresher throughout the night. That brings me to the most exciting feature which I personally love. Summers are unbearable right now, and I suffer from night sweats frequently. And if you're like me, you know how much it can mess with your sleep. So this feature really caught my attention. This mattress uses a SnowTec cooling fabric and is designed to feel about 4 to 6 degrees cooler than a regular mattress. But that doesn't mean that it's just a cool touch fabric on the top. The entire mattress is designed to keep the air moving. Okay. Let me make it simple for you. The mattress has multiple layers. On top, there is the SnowTec fabric. Think of it like having your windows open with breeze coming through, so you feel instantly cool when you lie down. So it's probably like a material that conducts heat away from your body. Under that is the natural latex layer. So when you turn on the fan, it doesn't cool you directly. It keeps the air moving around the room so that you don't feel hot. This is exactly what the natural latex layer does. It keeps the air flowing so that heat doesn't get trapped underneath you. And then there's the SmartGRID with 2500 plus air channels. Think of it as your home's ventilation system. What it does is, it pulls out the warm air and keeps the air flowing so that it doesn't feel stuffy. Honestly, technical terms like SnowTec, SmartGRID, air channels can definitely feel like a lot to understand, which is why it's really great that the Sleep Company offers a 100-night trial so that you can literally sleep on it and decide. Also, it comes with a 10-year warranty and it delivers all across India. I genuinely loved using this mattress and I think it could be a great upgrade for those looking for better sleep, especially those who struggle with heat, back pain, or just want a mattress for better support. You can check out about Luxe Pro SnowTec Mattress in the link here or in the description below. And if you have other questions, anything home related, then you can leave them in the comments section. We will be answering more of those in this series. Thank you, and we hope that you sleep well tonight.